Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video I will show you how to edit a global assembly slash template you've brought into your proposal. So once we've brought in a proposal, in this case it is a two-piece bathroom, we want to click on the blue plus to expand it, and as you can see in this template it has 4 sub-assemblies. We can open up one of them again by clicking on the blue plus button. In here there are 2 different items. We can now add pictures or change the descriptions in this item by clicking on here or dragging and dropping. In these scenarios, these just have a materials cost per unit. We can either change them here, or in this column here, if you want to change the pricing post markup or after the markup and profit is built into there. We can also open up this subassembly, and it has multiple items with upgrades built into that. We can change the pricing on the base item, or we can change the pricing on the upgrades by again clicking on the measurement icon here, into sales, manage our 4 options. Here we show the upgrades built into this item, and we can change the pricing therein, the additive pricing therein. I hope this helps you on your journey. Thank you.